Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add effects in Premiere Pro. Firstly, open Premiere Pro on your PC and click New Project to avoid altering existing ones. Name your project and set a save location. Now go to the Project tab and right-click on an empty space, then select Import. Choose your video, audio or image files and import them. Now drag your imported clips into the timeline panel and arrange your clips in the order you want them to appear. Rename sequences for better organization, especially in larger projects. Now click the Effects tab in Premiere Pro and use the search bar to find the effect you want. For example, Mosaic is under Video Effects, then Stylize. Drag the effect onto the clip in your timeline and select the clip in the mid-timeline that has the effect applied. Go to the Effects Controls panel and adjust parameters such as intensity, size, opacity, and duration depending on the effect. Now use the Program Manager to watch your clip in the effect applied. Make further adjustments as needed for desired outcome. You can stack multiple effects on a single clip and keyframes allow dynamic changes over time for effects like opacity, blur, or motion. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.